Hi, my name's Alicia. In this video, I'll show you where to find help in the Web Indexing program and how to both receive help and give help to another indexer. Many answers to questions are found within the indexing instructions. On the working screen, click Help on the menu to show the options available. Field Help is the first place to go when you have questions about a piece of information you're indexing. The help shown is for the field currently in focus. Changing the field on the entry panel changes the help accordingly. Project instructions give more general guidance for how and what to index in the current project. Basic indexing guidelines are instructions that apply across all projects. Keyboard shortcuts are key combinations that can increase your indexing efficiency. Help resources takes you to a web page with numerous links to articles and tutorials, plus help with administering a group. When you need direct help with a particular batch, you can arrange to share a batch you're working on with another indexer. This person, acting as a helper, can then see details of the batch and offer you the assistance you need. Click this icon on the toolbar, or click Help, then Share Batch. There are two ways to let your helper have details of the batch in order to view it. The first option is a hyperlink. Copy and paste this into an email to your helper. The second is the batch code. Again, let your helper have the code shown here. It's short enough to let you give it over the phone. If you want to help a colleague and you've received a hyperlink or batch number, for example by email or over the phone, you can view the batch on your screen in order to examine it. If you received a hyperlink, click it or copy and paste it into the URL address field in your browser. Sign in to Family Search if requested. This message reminds you that you are viewing the batch in read-only mode, which means that you cannot make any changes and save them. You see what the indexer sees. Examine the image as normal. Then provide the help requested by the indexer. Since some of the operations are the same for the other methods, I'll fast forward through them as appropriate. If you received a batch code, there are two ways to enter it. If you're already working on a batch that you don't want to close, click Help, then Open Shared Batch. Type or paste in the code you received and click Open. The batch opens in a new browser window. After reviewing the shared batch and helping the indexer, you close the window to revert to your original task. If at your web indexing homepage, click the Open Shared Batch link. Paste or type in the code and click Open. When complete, you can return to your homepage using the back arrow on the toolbar. A batch being shared with you as a helper is not assigned to your account. As a helper, you see the batch in its original form, or, if the indexer has done some work on it, as it was last saved by the indexer. If the indexer saves any more changes whilst you have the batch open, you'll need to reopen the batch in order to see those changes. Helping each other can be satisfying and lots of fun. What may seem a challenge to one person could be straightforward to another. Indexers learn how to handle more difficult records. More work gets done more accurately, and everyone benefits.